Hi everyone, in today's video, we will compare Linux Mint and Pop OS. Linux Mint and Pop OS are two very popular Linux distributions, and in 2026, they are still among the top choices for desktop users. Both are based on Ubuntu, both are free, and both aim to make Linux easier to use, but they focus on different types of users. Linux Mint is known for being friendly and comfortable, especially for beginners. It is designed to work out of the box, meaning once you install it, most things are already set up for you. It comes with the useful apps like LibreOffice for documents and spreadsheets, Firefox for browsing, and media tools for music, videos, and podcasts. You can watch YouTube or Netflix, listen to Spotify, and even play games using Steam. Lustrous or heroic without much effort. One of Mint's biggest strengths is stability. Updates are handled carefully, system snapshots help you recover if something goes wrong, and the update manager keeps everything simple. It does not ask unnecessary questions, does not collect data, and respect user control. The desktop is easy to understand, especially for people coming from Windows, and most users feel at home very quickly. It also runs well on older or low-end computers, which still matters a lot in 2026. Linux Mint is completely free and open source, and it has a strong relationships with its community. It works on most computers, can be tested using a live USB, and can be installed alongside Windows if needed. For first-time Linux users, it remains one of the safest and easiest choices. Pop OS, on the other hand, is more focused on productivity and modern workflows. It is developed by System 76 and is more focused on productivity and stay focused. The system feels smooth, Windows respond quickly, and multi-monitor setups work very well. Updates are fast and flexible, so you can choose when to apply them without interruptions. Pop OS stands out with features aimed at power users, developers, and creators. Its workflow tools, window management, and keyboard-friendly navigation help users who like efficiency. Security is also a strong point. With full disk encryption and zero data collection, like Mint, it is based on Ubuntu, so it supports thousands of apps and tools. Pop OS works especially well on System 76 hardware, but it also runs fine on other machines. However, it can feel a bit different for beginners, and the learning curve may be slightly higher compared to Linux Mint. So which distro wins in 2026? It really depends on the user. If you want a simple, stable, beginner-friendly system that just works, Linux Mint is still the better choice. It is easy to install, easy to use, low maintenance, and great for everyday tasks like browsing, office work, media, and casual gaming. If you care about more productivity, modern workflows, strong security, and a polished experience for work or development, Pop OS has the edge. It feels faster, more focused, and better suited for advanced users. Overall, Linux Mint wins for beginners and general users in 2026, while Pop OS wins for productivity-focused and power users. There is no bad choice here, just the one that fits your needs better. That's it. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.